Hey guys, we just received our parts for episode 2 of our custom build project, our Polaris Ace. Today we're going to be installing a winch from Polaris as well as our complete sound system from SSV Works. So stay with us. For the winch, we decided to go with a winch directly from Polaris, a 2,500 pound winch. Not a complicated install, but very time consuming. Bumper and front end needs to be completely removed. Most complicated part, I guess, was the wiring required to connect to the connector for the wired remote. Overall, great product, and we can't wait to go try it on the trail. For the sound system, we decided to go with SSV Works. The kit that we installed contains a media controller, which is panel mounted, along with pod speakers, which are mounted on the cage. Main features of this sound system: Bluetooth compatible, USB port, along with an auxiliary jack. So basically all media types are covered that you can play on this sound system. Installation of this kit does require a few hours of work. It's definitely a do-it-yourself project. All the instructions are well documented. However, if you don't feel comfortable, consider a dealer install. So this concludes episode 2. In this episode, we installed a great sound system. We installed a winch from Polaris. In our next episode, we will be installing a CB radio from Rugged Radios, along with some various cool aftermarket parts from Rigid. See you then.